Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to stay hidden and stealthy in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, choose a concealed drop point. Opt for a location away from the flight path to reduce the chances of encountering other players early on. Move silently. Walk instead of run to minimize noise and avoid detection by nearby enemies. Use suppressed weapons. Equip weapons with suppressor to reduce the sound of gunfire and stay off enemy radar. Stay low. Crouch or go prone when moving through open areas to make yourself a smaller target and avoid detection. Avoid sprinting. Sprinting makes more noise and leaves trail, so only sprint when necessary. Utilize natural cover. Stick to bushes, trees, and rocks for cover rather than open spaces. Close doors. When entering buildings, close doors behind you to conceal your presence. Use Ghost Perk. Equip the Ghost Perk to stay hidden from enemy UAVs and heartbeat sensors. Stay out of sight. Avoid unnecessary exposure by pecking around corners and using third-person view to check your surroundings. Move with the circle. Stay ahead of the gas circle to avoid being caught in the open while running from it. Monitor noise. Pay attention to environmental sounds like footsteps and gunshots to anticipate enemy movement. Avoid flashy gear. Choose camouflage or subdued skins for your weapons and operate to blend into the environment better. Avoid vehicle noise. While vehicles offer mobility, they also attract attention. Use them sparingly and park them away from hot zones. And that's how to stay hidden and stealthy in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!